The zenith of gallinaceous pulchritude. Here is a photographic festival of 40 stunningly beautiful chickens. Exactly what it says on the cover. And here they are in all their glory. Look at her with the wellies on. Oh, that's a Sebright Bantam, a Poland, a Sussex, a Maran, a Japanese Bantam. I can't even pronounce that one. Old English Game Bantam, the Nanking, and aren't they gorgeous? The Plymouth. Oh, they're fantastic. English Modern Game, irresistibly cheeky little Sebright Bantam, outrageously fluffy ones, and the Yokohama. Here are all the behind the scenes reportage of what is done to make the most impressive tail feathers. Look at her, the Silkie. Top poultry, top book, published at £12.99, and through bibliophilebooks.com is just £6. Beautiful chickens.